Hello. We're just about ready to put the torso on top of the legs right here. We've got some posts connected up to the brake levers, so when they get pulled, it goes into position, and from this post goes up into that cable, which goes through the hip deck up into the cockpit, where it will be connected to the brake lever. And we've got our snowblower all hooked up with 3 bolts and some bigger bolts underneath, so it's nice and secure. It has a few inches clearance off the ground, so it will get propelled forward by the snowblower's engine. For non-leg displays, I have some casters on the underside of the hip deck. That way it can be pushed around, just the torso by itself. Let's see here, what else have we got? Got 2 swivel casters on the narrow end, and 2 rigid casters on the far end. That way, when I move it through like a door or whatever, this end will be the front, that end, the far end will be the rear. And I made some pedals for the switch here, and I'm going to be wiring up the second switch for the hip rotation. The pedals are currently drying outside from a nice coat of spray paint. Testing out a garbage bag as a dust cover, because as I experienced, getting moisture on the bottom of these leg pylons will cause the wheel steering units to slip out. And that is all for today, I guess. So, until next time, be sure to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.